Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a product spotlight looking at the world of Caswell-Massey. Well, if you've been around anytime since 1752, you may have heard of Caswell-Massey. It is one of the oldest, if not the oldest, American lines of perfumes and fragrances and soaps and skincare products. In fact, one of their big claims of fame is that the number 6 formula has been in continuous production since 1752, and our first president, George Washington, was fond of it himself. So if you want to know what George Washington smelled like, smell some number 6. Pretty cool stuff. But, you know, there's been other famous people who have used these products. I know JFK liked one of their products called Jockey Club. I think Richard Nixon was a fan as well. It is an all-American line of products. They specialize in men's and women's skincare, bath soaps, colognes, fragrances, aftershaves, and now, of course, the world of shaving with shaving cream and beard oil and aftershave splashes. So all the fun stuff. But you know, I've heard of Caswell-Massey. I knew of them. I saw them around, and I thought, well, let's give it a shot. You know, we've had it at the shop for a little bit of time now, and thought, hey, it's time for a little spotlight video on them. But one of the big things with this brand is their commitment to quality. So they want to be paraffin-free and sulfate-free and all those kinds of things. They also, even their packaging, they don't use plastic unless it's been recycled plastic. They are big on conservation. They're big on solar panels being used on their facility and all these great things that we should move towards. So that's huge. But ultimately, the quality of the product, the quality of the ingredients, they're all naturally derived, and they are American classics, literally. So let's take a few moments to look at some of the fragrances they do offer. Number 6 is a classic aromatic and citrus-forward fragrance. It is true to the original 1772 number 6 formulation with a lighter hint of amber, floral, and musk notes. It has top notes of bergamot, rosemary, and white narcissus that set the stage for a vibrant heart of clove and 27 secret aromatics. The wood grain sandalwood is a deep, spicy fragrance with notes of sandalwood, cedarwood, and clove. Importantly, the addition of menthol and glycerin allows the aftershave products to soothe and refresh your skin post-shave. This masculine fragrance evokes the aura of an old-school barbershop. The Greenbrier aftershave and other related products has a woodsy tonic. It's perfect for a calm or irritated skin after shaving. This iconic formula has a rugged, zesty barbershop scent with notes of citrus, sage, and vetiver. Menthol provides a bracing feeling that adds the essential finishing touch to a good shave. The almond scent is an irresistible mix of savory and subtly sweet notes, and the almond is an ultimate gourmand delight. A bracing and refreshing finish to a great shave, our Newport is a crisp green fragrance accented with notes of bergamot, mandarin, and lemon that we've combined with warm notes of sandalwood, vanilla, and cedar for added depth to reference the rugged New England coast. Importantly, the addition of menthol and glycerin allows your aftershave to soothe and refresh your skin post-shave. Well, if you haven't already done so, check out Caswell-Massey. It's an all-American brand. It's something that should be in your bathroom. It's something that can harken back to the days of some of our past presidents and famous celebrities who have enjoyed this product. It's a quality line of shaving products here. Some of these soaps and whatnot, I was reading about them. They can be used with a brush, without a brush. That's another kind of benefit if you're someone who wants to maybe try it one way or the other, or is concerned about traveling. So yeah, give it a shot. Let me know below in the comments if you like one of their fragrances or if you have also learned what George Washington smelled like. I want to hear from you. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.